What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. It is November, which means we are getting ready for Thanksgiving and Christmas, and I've already started watching Hallmark Christmas movies and I'm so excited. But for this month, I decided to do a few recipes that you guys can make for your Thanksgiving dinner or Christmas dinner or just any dinner ever, really. In today's video, I am showing you how to make this apple spice sangria, and it kind of just brings all of the fall tastes in one drink. We have apples and cinnamon and pumpkin and pears, and it is just very delicious. So let's just get into the video. The ingredients you're gonna need are apple cider, Pinot Grigio, cinnamon whiskey, apples, pears, brown sugar, pumpkin spice, and honey. And the first thing you're gonna wanna do is cut up the apples and the pears. I only needed 2 of each. If you're making this for a larger family, you can do more. And you're gonna wanna cut those into bite-sized pieces. And then once you're done with that, you're gonna wanna put it into a fairly large bowl because you'll be using only one bowl for this whole recipe. After all the pears and apples are in the bowl, you're gonna want to cover them with the cinnamon whiskey. I did about half a bottle of this, and that was perfectly fine with me. I wanted a little kick, but I didn't want like too much of a whiskey taste to it. And yeah, you're just gonna wanna coat it all and let it sit in the fridge for about 2 hours, just to kind of let the fruits soak in the whiskey. And then once that's all done, you're gonna take it out and start adding the rest of the ingredients. So I added a few tablespoons of honey, a few tablespoons of pumpkin spice, and about half a cup to a cup of brown sugar. And then I added the Pinot Grigio. The great thing about this recipe is you don't have to go out and get some expensive Pinot Grigio. Like, go to Trader Joe's, get the $3 Pinot Grigio, and it'll be perfectly fine. So you're gonna add that to the bowl. I added basically the whole bottle. And then after that, you're gonna wanna add the apple cider. I did about half a bottle of this, I wanna say. And then it's ready to serve over some ice. I would say make this the night before, and the fruits really make it sweet and make the sangria a whole lot better than right away, let me tell you, because this is good and it's been sitting in my fridge for about a day or so. So that is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you make the sangria, let me know down below in the comments. And if you like the video, then like it and subscribe for more. And I will see you in my next one. Bye guys!